Welcome to NewsBreak, the show covering everything happening around Charles County Public Schools. I'm Emily Belson.
And I'm Yachi Madaan. Our episode takes a look at some teachers who were recognized nationally for their efforts to help students.
Plus, we tell you where you can go to sign up for fun this summer. We start with Charles County's Public Schools version of a home makeover.
Shouldn't that be school makeover?
Meh, potato. Construction at Benjamin Stoddert Middle School is stampeding along. This was how things were moving along at the Stallion's new layer in the fall. What a difference 6 months makes. Each floor will house a separate grade along with the cafeteria area that can also be used for a collaborative learning space. One of the significant improvements in Stoddert's renovations is adding windows to a nearly windowless school. Built in the 70s during an energy crisis, Stoddert's lack of windows was so they could keep cooling and heating costs down. Today, most school windows are energy efficient and of course provide natural light. David Clements oversaw the renovation of Dr. Samuel A. Mudd Elementary School and thinks this renovation will be equally impressive once finished.
This building is rather unique to Charles County. It's unique to the state. We would hope that people would walk into there and feel that it is a prime learning environment. The concept of thinking big should hit you as you walk in because of a big open space, and hope that people will feel that as soon as they walk in and feel some sense of awe.
The 3-story wing should be ready by the summer and will house students and staff next year while the original building gets a massive makeover.
Energy-efficient windows and natural light will also be a big part of Eva Turner's new look. The elementary school's renovation also includes wider hallways, bigger classrooms, and a supersized media center located within eyeshot of the front entrance. What you can't see is this learning area outside of the media center. On a nice day like this one, students can go outside, learn, or do a little extra reading. Several classroom fixtures are up like whiteboards that are covered, coat racks, and other furniture. Basketball hoops are hung in the gym, which is currently being used as a storage area. Right next door is the cafeteria with serving lines, ovens, and a walk-in freezer installed. Eva Turner's renovation wraps up this summer in time for students to start the 2021-2022 school year in a brand new building.
Many students return to in-person learning as part of Phase 2 and Phase 4 of CCPS's reopening plan. For many learners, like career technology education students, it's the best way to learn.
Many teachers had to be creative and innovative to teach students the skills and knowledge they need. Several teachers were recognized for their efforts to help students understand the various career fields they can join. Congratulations to Frank Holliday for being named the 2021 New Teacher of the Year for Maryland Association for Career and Technical Education. Mr. Holliday has been teaching welding at North Point High School since 2019. He worked in the welding industry for 20 years in his native Ohio in various capacities. Mr. Holliday decided he wanted to give back to the industry and help develop its next generation of workers. Winning the award was quite a surprise.
To win an award that you didn't even know you were trying for or in the running for was pretty special. I really wanted to signify how much I actually care about the industry and how I care about this career that really gave me everything that I own. And I want the kids to understand that I care about them.
Meanwhile, over at Billingsley Elementary School, librarian Bethany Thornton was honored for her efforts to teach students about the importance of agriculture. She received the Velma Clark Excellence in Teaching About Agriculture Award from the Maryland Agricultural Education Foundation. Mrs. Thornton uses a number of MAEF's resources and other programs to teach students about how the food they eat gets to their plate. Ms. Thornton worked as a librarian at several schools before she went to Indian Head Elementary School. That is where she became interested in helping her students learn about agriculture and continues at her new school.
Gets them to think beyond just their small little world. Some of the things I try to do is bring in lessons that are different cultures and different parts of the country, not just Maryland. It's things like that that I wanted them to experience and see.
Congratulations to these 5 Charles County Public Schools art teachers. They were recognized by the Maryland Art Education Association as outstanding educators. The MAEA recognizes outstanding people who are increasing the importance of quality art education at all levels. Congratulations, ladies.
It's time for News to Know, a segment that gives you the dates, times, places, and events that you need to know. That's why we call it News to Know. All schools and offices will be closed on May 31st for Memorial Day, which means graduation season is here. Commencement ceremonies for the class of 2021 start on the Friday before Memorial Day with St. Charles High School holding ceremonies. After Memorial Day weekend, graduations resume with Westlake and Lackey holding their commencements on June 1st, followed by Thomas Stone and La Plata on the 2nd and McDonough and North Point on the 3rd. All ceremonies will be held at Regency Furniture Stadium, home of the Southern Maryland Blue Crabs.
With summertime not too far away, Charles County Public Schools is taking applications for its summertime programs. Visit the link on your screen or go to the front of ccboe.com and look under What's New. You'll find dates, times, and registration for each camp, which includes enrichment activities, the Lackey Summer Youth Camp, Nanjemoy Creek, and James E. Richmond Science Center. Most camps are offered in person, while some are virtual. Check it out today. That will wrap it up for this episode of NewsBreak. I'm Yachi Madaan. Please mask up when you are in public areas, everyone.
And I'm Emily Belson. Remember to stay 6 feet apart and keep your hands clean to prevent the spread of COVID-19. We thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!
Bye!